All right, so it's time for another Monster Mama 1, 2, 3, 4, and more original family story. So this one is from The Mind of Leviathan. We haven't had a whole lot of our make up our own bedtime stories recently, but we had one here. So let's hear it for Leviathan's creativity. Monster Mama, of course, did the art. So, once upon a time, there were 3 little dogs. 1, 2, 3, and one was good. He's like, hey, ruff, ruff, ruff. And all 3 were good. Ding, ding, ding. It was great. Look at those great puppies, huh? All dogs go to heaven, as they say. They found a kitty book. It said, meow, 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 meow. They loved it. And there was a kitty, and a bird. The kitty then ate the bird. Whoop. Oh no, oh no. What happened to the birdie bird? Uh-oh, uh-oh. The bird got eaten by the kitty. I know I didn't draw the rest of the face of the kitty, but you know. And look, there were some ducks. That scared the ducks. And the ducks ran away. Run, 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 save yourselves. The kitty's eating birds. And the kitty ran away and lived the rest of his lives. Doo-doo, off to visit the rainbow. The end. So we have a succinct start with doggies and end with a kitty. That is our original from Leviathan. If you liked our original content, give a like and subscribe for more. I know this is quite short, but thank you so much for listening, and you have a great day.